Hey guys, it's Sasha from agartsystudios here today, and today I'm here with Julie to show you guys how to make a really awesome American Girl doll or 18-inch doll bed. It is super simple and easy, so I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. So let's get into the craft. For this craft, you will need a hot glue gun, a ruler, a piece of cardboard. I pre-cut mine to 12 inches by 10 1/4 inches, glue sticks, scissors, scrapbook paper, or you can print off a design on white computer paper, or you can even just use white computer paper. And last but not least, you will be needing 8 of these size tissue boxes. It might seem like a lot, but if you save for a while and just collect them from all of your family members, you should have enough tissue boxes in no time. First, you're going to want to take 2 of the tissue boxes and put hot glue on one of them. You're going to want to then stick the other box to it and make sure that they are lined up so that both the ovals are like horizontal or they are flatter. And then you're going to want to repeat this 4 times to have 4 of those. And then you're just going to want to glue all of these together. So put hot glue on one side of one and then just connect them together. It's a pretty simple concept. I think you guys understand it. And then you just hot glue all of them together until you get a platform shape. After you have glued all of the tissue boxes together, you should have a platform that looks like this. Now take your piece of cardboard that is 10 1/4 inches by 12 inches and your scrapbook paper or the paper that you printed off and glue it on to the cardboard. This piece will be the headboard. Be sure to fold over the edges so that they are clean. Look like this on the back, and on the front it should look like this. Now take your platform and your scrapbook paper and you can glue the scrapbook paper onto the sides of the platform. You do not need to glue it on top if you're putting a mattress on top, but if you do not put a mattress on top, then you can just put white computer paper on it so that it is not just tissue box print. Now here's the platform. You can see that I have all the sides covered in the scrapbook paper, except for the back. This part does not need to be covered because we will be gluing the headboard onto this part. Last but not least, we're going to put the headboard on, so just put glue on the back part where there isn't scrapbook paper, and then you can just stick the headboard on and make sure that the print is facing the front so that you can see it. My bed will be against the wall, so I didn't cover the back side like you saw before. And then just press it into the glue and make sure that it dries. Now your bed is finished. Wait for all of the glue to dry, and then you can put bedding and everything on it, and it'll look super adorable. Bed all set up. I think it looks so cute in like almost a real life bed, so I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this craft too. Here is Julie by the bed, and she absolutely loves it. This craft is super simple and easy to make, so I hope you guys can enjoy it too. So that's it. That's the craft. It was super fun to make, and I hope you guys can make it too. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for all of my subscribers, because we're going so fast and I am so thankful for this. So thank you guys so much, and I really hope you all have a nice day. Bye!